Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change the currency on your CoinEx mobile application. To change the currency on CoinEx, open the CoinEx app and then make sure that you're inside the homepage logged in. After you are inside the homepage, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on Preferences. Under Preferences, tap on Currency. Choose your desired currency from the list and tap on it. After you do that, the platform should automatically update to reflect your chosen currency across your portfolio. So that is how you can easily change your currency on your CoinEx application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.